Hello guys, now we are going to start a new series on SQL language. In this video, I tell you about what is SQL, what can we do with the SQL, and some queries we perform on a database. So let's get started. First of all, what is SQL? SQL is a stand for structured query language, and it is a database language, and it is designed for retrieval and manage the data from in a relational data. We can retrieve a data from a database with the help of SQL. We can manage our data. We can do a lot of things. What can SQL do? SQL can execute your queries against a database. SQL can retrieve data from the database. SQL can insert a record in a database. SQL can update a record in a database. SQL can delete, create, and there are so many things that SQL can do for you. Types of SQL. Now we are going to discuss the types of SQL. These are the types of SQLs. First, DDL. DDL stand for data definition language, and in DDL we have a create, drop, alter, and truncate command. Next is DML. In DML we have insert, update, and delete. And DCL stand for data control language, and in this we have a grant and revoke. In a grant we give the permission to some users, and in revoke we take back the permission. Next is TCL. In TCL transaction control language we have a commit, rollback, and save point. And DQL. In DQL we have selects. We discuss each and every command in detail in a later video, and in this video we're just going to cover some DDL commands. So let's get started. For executing queries we are going to use a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. You can download it from Google, or you can see the some videos on a YouTube how to download this. First of all, creating new query, we just select here. When you click here, you can see this some are database is already created and some are created by myself. And for creating a database, simple write create command, create database, and then give the database name. Here I'm going to give the name YouTube, and just simply execute it. You can see that command completed successfully. Now we create a database. While after creating, you have to select your database from here. After creating a database, we are going to create a table. So for creating a table, simple write create command, create table, and then give the table name. So I'm going to give the employee, and then put brackets, open and close brackets, and in this brackets we have to write ID. It's a column name, and if you already study some programming languages like C, you already have a knowledge about data types. So ID is a integer data type, so we have to store in data types, and then we put a comma, and then we are creating a next column, and I'll give the name. Name is a string data type. For string data type we use varchar. We have to give the length for this. No, I give here 55 length. It's up to you. You have to give your length according to your situation, and I don't think so anybody name is more than 55, so I'll give 55. And next I'll give the name class, and for class I'm going to use again integer. That's all. We just only have to select those part of the query which we want to execute. Just simply execute it, and here your command success. Now you want to see your query how it's look. Simply write select command, select star from, and then give the table name. Just simply select this line and execute it. Now you can see that ID, name, and column is created. If you want to delete this table, so simply write drop table, and then give the table name, employee, and then select it and execute it. Now you can see that command is completely successfully, and if you select this again and execute it, now you have an error, invalid object employee. Now it's completely deleted from YouTube database. That's all for this video. We are going to insert a value in the employee database in the next video. Hope you like my video, and please subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any my further videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.